Okay, so we're going to move into 30-second squats. Okay, so you're going to sit back, pushing the hips back, keeping the shoulders up, making sure you're going down as deep as you can. Okay, pushing the hips back. Okay, this is good. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see the angle. Sitting down, shoulders up, working the core, pushing the hips down. Okay, sitting right back. 10 seconds to go. Hips back, staying tall. This is bro. Keep it going. 3, 2, 1. Okay, shake it out. We're going to go into a 30-second lunge. Okay, so for lunges, you're just going to step forward, pushing that back knee down, step forward, back knee down. Okay, on we go. So you're going to step down, keeping tall and pushing back.